I'll guide you through how to create Temu account. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your web browser and go to www.temu.com. Once the website loads, look for the Orders and Account option at the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. You'll be taken to the Sign Up page, where you need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password is something strong and easy for you to remember. After you fill in your details, go ahead and click the Submit button. Next, open your email inbox and find a verification message sent by Temu. This email will include a special code. Enter that verification code on the website to confirm your email address and activate your account. Once your email is verified, your account is all set. You can now start browsing, adding items to your cart, and purchasing anything you need. It's that simple. Temu offers a wide variety of products, so take your time and enjoy the shopping experience.